Boom, 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 boom. You know what it is, man. It's about OG product, bringing another edition that Garrison News. You know, the Schlingo, Trap, Meow, later. Fuck good mo, nigga, shmool as we should. Oh, man, goddamn. Things that makes you go, Talk nice, mama. Anyway, man, we out here fooling for though, man. Pretty shit, man. Blip, bop. Boom, 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 boom. People, trust. So the homeboy, the rapper man, who goes by the name of Lil Gino, right? Homeboy got an album on the countdown. Homeboy got an album on the motherfucking count. So I guess somebody in his camp say, you know what, beloved, it's time for us to put some spark to our promotion and, you know, jack up this motherfucking campaign. So Homeboy decided to show the toolie for the internet. Yes, I'm talking about Homeboy decided to show the motherfucking army artillery. So now the rapper one is currently sitting up in a big house with some real top thugs and some real top crocodiles because the Dunkin' Donut cops ran down on a young bull and now he's being detained in the motherfucking dog kennel. Things that makes you go, So I guess Free the Rapper One campaign start as of right motherfucking now. So you're going to see a lot of homeboys and a lot of homegirls with Free Lil Gino t-shirts. Yes, I'm talking about free the homeboy until they free him. You see me, SMG? So I just want to give y'all a quick update to let y'all know the Rapper One is behind the G-wall. The Rapper One is locked up in a cell. You see me, SMG? This is your boy OG Product, man. Y'all know the motherfucking Schlingo fool. Never far though, man. Boom, 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 boom.
Damn, man, what the fuck is booming on, man? Shit's crazy out here, man. What the fuck, man? All these motherfucking fools is calling me out, man. Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now. Before you get your shit blown. Boom, boom, boom. I mean them want to boom it up. If I catch a fucking up, I'm gonna shoot them up. I ain't playing no games, I got the boomer talk. Damn, they hating on the product, get your schmooler up. I mean them want to boom it up. If I catch a fucking up, I'm gonna shoot them up. I ain't playing no games, I got the boomer talk. Damn, they hating on the product, get your schmooler up. These niggas ratting. Mel's number 12 is talking to the captain. Niggas think it's a joke till they see the indictment. Same thing happened to Smack. Officer Mel is just like him. I boom a nigga down. I ain't with the fist fighting. I boom a nigga down if I don't really like him. I ain't talking record deals when I say I'll sign him. Broski on the drill, little bro gonna line him. Once I hear boom 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 boom, all you hear is silence. I need them one, we boom it up. If I catch a fucking up, I'm gonna shoot them up. I ain't playing no games, I got the boomer talk. Damn, they hating on the product, get your schmooler up. I need them one, we boom it up. If I catch a fucking up, I'm gonna shoot them up. I ain't playing no games, I got the boomer talk. Damn, they hating on the product, get your schmooler up. I'm jumping out of cars while I shoot. Little bro in the back of the coupe, sipping on that motherfucking Grey Goose. Got the beam John hanging